Good evening, my name is Niranjan and I'm filling in for Arnab Goswami, who will be back on the debate soon. This morning, the CBI arrested West Bengal ministers Subrata Mukherjee, Firhad Hakim, ruling Trinamool Congress MLA Madan Mitra, former Kolkata Mayor Shovan Chatterjee in connection with the 2016 Narada Sting operation case. They've all been granted bail a little after 7 p.m. this evening, almost 9 hours later, in what has been a very dramatic day of developments in Kolkata. That's debate number one tonight. On the show, the face-off between the Trinamool Congress and the CBI, 4 top leaders arrested and then granted bail. And at 10 p.m. we have a special broadcast keeping our focus on Cyclone Tauktae, expected to make landfall. The process of landfall has begun. We will have joint coverage with SkyMet. That's at 10 p.m. And at 10:30 p.m. reports from the heart of India. We continue with our dedicated COVID broadcast that's coming up as well tonight.
Around 9:35 a.m., TMC Minister Firhad Hakim walked into the CBI office in Kolkata's Nizam Palace. TMC Minister Madan Mitra, TMC MLA Subrata Mukherjee, and ex-TMC Mayor Shovan Chatterjee were also in CBI custody in connection with 2016 Narada Sting tape. What followed was a series of dramatic escalation. Within an hour of the formal arrest, a little after 10:50 a.m., Mamata Banerjee arrived at the CBI office. She camped at the CBI office for 6 hours, daring the CBI to arrest her too. Meanwhile, outside the CBI office, protests got out of hand. Stones were pelted and bottles were hurled at the forces guarding the CBI office. And TMC fumed as their top leaders were arrested without the sanction of the speaker.
कोलकाता हाई कोर्ट ने पूछा जिस आप स्पीकर से जाके उनका सैंक्शन के लिए दरखास्त किया, लोग कुछ नहीं हुआ, चुप करके रहा.
Towards the evening, the drama was headed for an anticlimax. Mamata Banerjee left the CBI office after 6 hours of protest. And 4 arrested leaders were granted bail.
सीएम ममता बनर्जी भी आ चुके थे इधर और उसने यहाँ पर रुका लगभग 6 घंटे के बाद बिना कुछ कहे सपोर्टर को भी और रिपोर्टर लोगों को भी वो बिना कुछ कहे और निकल चुके थे उसके जो नवन्यों की ओर. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने देखा कि थोड़ी देर पहले जो 4 लोग थी जिनको अरेस्ट किया गया था सीबीआई की ओर से, उन लोगों को बेल मिल चुकी है.
The TMC has alleged selective targeting by central agency.
Suvendu Adhikari and Mukul Rai have not been arrested. Those who are in the BJP, they will remain under the shelter. They will be having an umbrella. Governor and the CBI has been turned into a bloodsucker now.
So were the arrests politically motivated, or was the issue blown out of proportion? Let's debate.